Hello, I am Ramesh Babu. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to paint a fish. I have another video tutorial to show how to sketch a fish. Please check that, and you can download this high resolution image from my website, and also check the blog, and also check the forums. Okay, let's start this painting. Please sketch the fish like this. Check this link for fish sketch video. I am using yellow ochre to paint the first layer like this. Don't paint the eye area. Apply some water to the remaining areas like this. Make sure it will look like a gradient effect. Play with light and dark shade with the same color. Use thick yellow color for the depth areas like this. Take your time and only apply the thick color where it is necessary. Remove the unwanted shade with your wet brush like this. Paint the orange color to the depth areas like this. Be careful when painting near the eye area. Feel free to add a thick orange color only to the depth areas like this. paint a direct black shade to the eye. Mix burnt sienna and yellow ochre to paint the outer circle eye. Don't paint this color to the entire circle, only paint here and there and leave the space. Mix burnt sienna and cobalt blue for the outer depth to the eye area, like this. I am using the same shade to paint the remaining depth area, like this. Mix orange, yellow ochre and a small amount of burnt sienna to paint the fish head and all other body parts, like this. Mix vermilion hue and orange and apply this color only in this wet area to create the depth tones. The most important part of this area, scalps. Before starting to paint this area, please paint a light tone of yellow mixed orange shade, like this. To paint this effectively, only add the color to the corner and try to leave the remaining area. Paint the same shade to the wings area also. mix burnt sienna and vermilion hue to paint the depth shade in wings area like this. You can add the same shade to the surrounding body parts. It is an optional choice. That's it. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you.